Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we will see how to use text decoration as well as text indent. So the style name here is text decoration. We can apply this to any text. So we set appearance of the text content using the text decoration tag. Text decoration property, CSS property. An example for text decoration is given below. If you see here, dot means class, so applicable to any class. Applicable to any tag that contains the decor class attribute. And here is the style text decoration value underline. That means for a text, suppose if this is the text applied with this attribute, we will get a underline. When a text decoration is applied to parent, it inherits to all child elements. Say for example, if there is a div tag and it contains 3 paragraphs, if you apply this style to the div tag and the property is applied to all the div tag's child elements. For example, when underline is applied to p tag, all the child element, say I, if a paragraph tag contains italic tag, will receive the same underlining. So that means the net effect is, if this is the word inside the paragraph and let's state that italic is applied to it to tilt the words, right? So when you use underline, the underline will be applied to all children's. So for each word it will be applied. Text indent property will set spaces in the first line of text. When paragraph goes in multiple line, the time this text indent will be useful. So text indent 10 pixel means, let's state that in a div tag you have a paragraph and the very first line will get indented, and after that the paragraph will go like this, and let's state that it is ending here. 10 pixel means here the offset will be 10 pixel. So that's what text indent means. So indent can be specified in pixel, centimeter or millimeter. There are other dimension also, but here in this course we will be frequently using pixels and centimeters. Now let's go to the demo. Alright, now we will create a new file and change the refresh rate here as 5 seconds so that we can select the text. If you see, after 5 seconds, since it is refreshing, the selection will not be possible. So for now I can show the demo with a selection that goes for 5 seconds. So that's why I changed the refresh rate. Now let's go to the files, collapse the images folder. Let's create a new HTML file 016 and we will name it as text decor. Okay, mistakenly created that, and let me hit the delete button. Shift del. So highlight the folder you want, CSS folder, and create new 016 text decor.html. So this time it got created in the correct folder. You can always cross verify it by going to just select the folder. Go inside the folder and go with reveal in file explorer. This will tell, and here we have only the images, and 16 is here. All right. All right, so we are ready for the demo now. So this is our HTML content. To explore the text decor property, we have 4 paragraphs inside the body tag. These are all inline paragraph. That means paragraph run in a single line, and there is one multi-line paragraph as well. So let us save this and see how it looks. So since there is a 5-second auto refresh, that's why we have to wait for 1 to 5 seconds. So there are 3 paragraph and 1 multi-line paragraph. Now we will go ahead with the CSS properties. We will keep same class for all the paragraph decor and define the decor style here. So we have a style for the decor class. Text-indent is 10 pixel. Haven't yet saved it. And if you see at present, since this is a multi-line paragraph, the first line we want to indent to some extent. So we specified it as 10 pixel. Let me save and you can see the, okay, you have to click here and Control S. We'll wait for a few seconds and you can see the text are indented. So since these are all inline paragraph, you can see a indentation here. In this multi-line paragraph, you can see the very first line is indented towards the right and the gap here is 10 pixel. And if we want to verify it, we can keep it as a 30 pixel. Now let's save this and you can see the indentation gone 30 pixel now. Right, this is indentation. Now let's go ahead with the underline style. Right, text decoration underline, and you can see it will make a underline on all the text. So that's the underline property. We can change this as overline. That means now the text at present it is underlined, right? Now it will move on top of the text. Let me save and you can see the difference. If you see, the line is shifted towards the top of the web. So line through is useful to strike the word. Here we are using it for all the paragraph. Suppose in a specific paragraph, if you want to strike out some sentence or some word, you can use this style. Let me choose line through and we will apply it for all the paragraph. So that's the line through style, and you can see the line is drawn in the center of the words. So now let's go back to underline style. We can combine this style with the other style as well. So text decoration, underline. Now I am choosing red. That means what happens, underline will be done and the line will be in red color. And you can see that. Now we marked the text with underline as well as with red color. It's also possible to define the line style. Here we talked about underline, right? Red, and here we are specifying the style. That means when I specify double, the underline will be displayed in two lines. Let me save it so that you can see the difference. If you see, there are two underline below the word. So in text decoration, we first specified underline, or you can specify here overline, strike through, whatever you want. I mean, strike through means underline, overline. Let's go with underline, overline, line through. So now the strikeout will happen in two lines. Let me save it, and if you see, this is how we cancelled all the paragraph by doing the strike through, a double line strike through. So for the demo to go visually well, let's go with underline once again and save it. There are many styles like this. For example, we used double right, and this time we will use a dashed style, and we will hit the save button. So that's the dashed style towards the bottom. Let's change the color to underline, dark green, and we will change these dashed styles to some other style, maybe dotted, or you can, yeah, dotted also we can use. So that will be dotted, and we will use wavy. So that's the wavy style, and so we told where this wavy should appear, and so those are all the three part of this text decoration value. One is where the line should occur, what is the color of the line, what is the style of the line. Now this time the wavy line is appearing on top of it. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.